Welcome all of you. In previous classes we are discussing ray diagrams for curved surfaces. Today my topic is lens formula. How the lens will be formed. Here O dash placed on a principal axis, the image will be formed on I dash on the principal axis. The ray is parallel to the principal axis. It strikes on a lens surface, it will be refracted and it is passed through the F1 and it will meet at I dash. I dash is the image of O dash. Then O dash is the object, I dash is the image. The image will, it is a incident ray. Incident ray is passed through the optic center. It will be passed through optic center and the image is I dash. And here P dash F1, F1 I dash. Both are two similar triangles. That's why I am writing P dash F1 triangle, P dash F1 comma triangle F1 I dash. Both are similar triangles. Then we have a rule P dash by I dash is equal P F1 by F1I. Equation number 1. From the figure we have to find the F1I value. This is F1I. So Pi minus Pf1. Pi minus Pf1. Substitute in the above equation. P dash by I dash is equal Pf1 by Pi minus Pf1. Equation number 2. We have to find the another set of similar triangles, that is O dash P comma Pi I dash. Then triangle O dash P comma triangle Pi I dash. Both are similar set of triangles. Same rule we are applying here. O dash by I dash is equal Po by Pi. Then equation number 3. From the figure, the height of the O dash is equal to the height of the P dash. Substitute in the above equation 3. Then P dash by I dash is equal Po by Pi. Equation number 4. From the equation 2 and 4, we have P dash by I dash, P dash by I dash. Then Po by Pi is equal Pf1 by Pi minus Pf1. Then I am writing like this: Pi by Po is equal Pi minus Pf1 by Pf1. Then divide. Pi by Po is equal Pi by Pf1, Pf1 by Pf1 minus 1. Then Pi is the common in this. 1 by Po is equal to Pi is common. Then 1 by Pf1 minus 1 by Pi. So Pi gets cancelled. Remaining P 1 by Po is equal 1 by Pf1 minus 1 by Pi. Then Po is object distance U. Then Pf1 is focal length F. Then Pi is image distance V. Now according to the sign convention, this is in this direction, but we are measuring in this direction. It is in this direction. That's why minus U means opposite to the incident ray. Then F is equal to same direction plus. Then plus this is minus. Then 1 by minus U is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by V. Then 1 by F is equal 1 by V minus 1 by U is the lens formula. F indicates the focal length of the given lens, V indicates the image distance, U indicates the object distance. We will discuss after.